I spend a lot of time on the phone with shops and attorneys across the country. The problems range from trouble with insurers, problem customers, and in some cases, shops that have been served with lawsuit papers for the very first time as a business. It seems more and more that the root of every issue is a misunderstanding of law or a complete blind spot of the law. Most repairers were just like my dad. They learned the trade, worked in a shop, and one day finally saved enough to open their own business. They learned how to run the business through the people they worked for. In many ways, it was all default, sort of like cruise control, really. Cars came in, we fixed them, we got paid, and they left. We all sort of started to believe this was the way it was, that this was the default, it was normal. That's why when the paradigm shift took place, everyone who learned from the past way of doing business feels lost or confused right now. They have to pay my charges, Kristen. The insurer can't refuse to inspect the car. I can't charge the customer. For a shop to adapt to this new business climate and determine the best way for you to move forward, you must understand some basic legal principles, how they affect you, your customers, and the insurer. In fact, these basics of law are so important, they were the first things new adjusters learned before they were allowed to handle their very first claim. I've taken the law class that I used to teach adjusters and updated the content for you. Learn the principles of law that govern everything you do every day. Along the way, we'll discuss some specific implications and considerations for you to discuss with your business attorney. Ensure you are operating correctly and are protected before a problem arises. This course is delivered in video format. Watch at your own pace and rewatch as often as you like. In fact, you could add it to your onboarding process for new employees. Click the link in the video description and get started today.